Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Jabra Evolve 65T wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds will not connect to Bluetooth, or if they're not syncing or pairing with your device, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you're going to need to pair these again because all of the pairing history will be deleted off of them. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If for whatever reason you're just trying to get a fresh start on these earbuds so that you can set them up as a brand new set of earbuds, this will do the trick for you. And it's really easy to do. All we need to do is take our right earbud out of the case, and on our right earbud we're just going to press and hold the multifunction button on the back of the earbud for 10 seconds until the LED on the earbud flashes purple. Once that flashes purple, we can go ahead and release it and our earbuds will be reset. Now you'll need to go into your phone and delete the old pairing off of it because it won't be able to pair with that anymore, and then you can set these up as like you're setting up a brand new set of earbuds.